welcome again to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video I'm gonna be preparing a simple breakfast smoothie, and here guys I am displaying the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make the smoothie. Here I have a frozen ripe banana, 1/3 cup of flaxseed, half of kiwi sliced in 4 pieces, and 4 small size strawberries. And here I have my almond milk, and this is the flaxseed that I'll be using.